another day back with the van here with the 40 Connor line. Today we're going to be working on framing the inside of the floor. So you see I bought my wood, bought my laminate floor, bought some underlayment for the plywood, and then I laid the floor actually down. So what we're gonna do is get started on framing the floor right now. You guys gotta measure around there, measure from here to there, and then from here to there. Okay, so what's up YouTube? Right now we are on top of the roof to install Max air fan. So I'll show you guys how to do that. We're gonna draw it out with a template, draw out the inside of the circle, take the jigsaw, cut it out. All right, so I got the hole down. You know what I'm saying? So long story short, now I'm about to go in the house, go get the fan, take some caulk, gonna caulk this hole, then I'm gonna lay the fan right there on top of it. Got my fan right here. Now I'm about to install it. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to run solar panels on your van. Story short, right now I have two 200-watt solar panels. Got one right here and one right there. I'm gonna be running these parallel. Sturdy, guys. Yep. Yeah. That should be the turning point right there for YouTube. So as you can see, I bolted all of the the frames to the actual frame of the bus. I was gonna remove this frame, but I actually just found a way to work around it. So yeah, man, I'm about to install the roof right now. Okay, what's up YouTube? Today we will be running the wires for my 12-volt connections for my ceiling fan and for my lights. Well, these are LED lights, pub lights, tack-in, whatever you want to call it. Right now I'm about to crimp these wires together. The wires hooked up for my lights. Lucky for me, all I have to do is run these two little DC wires to this and then hook up the fuse box and the switches. So we're gonna get to that right now.